Hello guys, welcome to the Begin the Basics YouTube channel. Today we will discuss some agile questions regarding stakeholder management. So let's dive into the questions. Question number 1. In agile projects, who is responsible for identifying and managing stakeholder expectations? A. Product owner, B. Scrum Master, C. Development team, D. Project manager. Answer for the question number 1 is product owner. Explanation. In agile projects, the product owner is responsible for identifying and managing stakeholder expectations. The product owner acts as the bridge between the stakeholders and the development team, ensuring that stakeholders' needs and requirements are understood and effectively communicated to the team. The product owner actively engages with the stakeholders to gather feedback, clarify requirements, and prioritize the product backlog based on stakeholder inputs. By taking on this role, the product owner plays a crucial part in managing stakeholder expectations and ensuring that the project's outcomes align with the stakeholder needs. Let's go to question number 2. What is the primary role of the stakeholders in agile projects? A. Providing financial resources for the project. B. Conducting quality control activities. C. Ensuring compliance with project regulations. D. Collaborating in project decision making and feedback. Answer for the question number 2 is D. Collaborating on project decision making and feedback. Explanation. The primary role of stakeholders in agile projects is to actively collaborate with the project team in decision making and provide feedback throughout the project. Agile values the involvement of stakeholders as active participants in shaping the project's direction, ensuring that their needs and perspectives are considered in project's outcomes. Question number 3. How does Agile address the changing needs and priorities of stakeholders? By following a strict change control process. B. By involving stakeholders in each project phase. C. By documenting all stakeholder requests for future reference. D. By regularly reviewing and adapting the product backlog. The answer is D. By regularly reviewing and adapting the product backlog. Explanation. Agile addresses the changing needs and priorities of stakeholders by regularly reviewing and adapting the product backlog. The product backlog contains a prioritized list of requirements and features, and by continuously reviewing and reprioritizing it, the project team can respond to changing stakeholder needs and incorporate new requirements as the project progresses. Question number 4. Which technique is commonly used in prioritize stakeholder requirements in agile projects? A. Pareto analysis. B. Cost benefits analysis. C. Moscow prioritization. D. Earned value analysis. Answer for the question number 4 is C. Moscow prioritization. Moscow prioritization is a technique commonly used in agile projects to prioritize stakeholder requirements. It categorizes requirements into 4 priority levels: must have, should have, could have, and won't have. This approach helps stakeholders and project team prioritize and focus on the most critical requirements, ensuring that the most important needs are addressed first. Question number 5. What is the purpose of a stakeholder mapping or analysis in projects? A. To identify stakeholders' roles and responsibilities. B. To estimate the effort required for stakeholder engagement. C. To prioritize stakeholders based on their influence and interest. D. To develop a communication plan for each stakeholder. Answer for the question number 5 is C. To prioritize stakeholders based on their influence and interest. Explanation. Stakeholder mapping or analysis is a technique used to identify and prioritize stakeholders based on their influence and interest in the project. It helps the project team understand the importance of different stakeholders and tailor their engagement and communication strategies accordingly. Prioritizing stakeholders based on their influence and interest ensures that its efforts are focused on engaging key stakeholders who can significantly impact the project's success.